What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. So guys, I wanted to make a really short video and talk about the exciting future for Webull. I know many of you have signed up for a Webull account, and of course, as far as research, Webull is my favorite broker to use. The one strike I've always held against Webull is that I can't trade stock options. So I've made a very nice amount of income trading stock options this year, and of course, I've seen some of these alerts coming up in my message board, and I just wanted to share with everybody that has a Webull account that stock options are coming to Webull very soon. Now, it is not really clear to me when these are going to be available. I am just following this, and it looks like 1,500 users are appointed already, me being one of those. So I try to stay on top of all their updates. So I have an E-Trade account. I have TD Ameritrade. I use Fidelity, Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, Coinbase. The list really goes on, guys. I have all kinds of different brokers. I use Webull the most for research, and I really see this being the dominant zero commission broker once options trading is available. Some of you have a lot of experience trading options. Others of you that I've talked to in the comments and elsewhere actually have told me that you have no experience in options. So I probably need to start making some videos with a little bit more intense options training, but you really need to look at it like this. Options trade up much faster than normal stocks do. When you buy a stock, let's say at $10, you have to get that stock up to $11 before you've netted a 10% gain. And we all know that usually takes a while unless the stock is moving parabolic. When you're trading options, guys, I've landed 400%, 500%, and 600% gains in one day. As a matter of fact, I've done it several times. And the most recent time I've done it is on Roku stock, right on their last earnings report, okay? On Roku, again, this was a total gamble. This is either hit or miss. They were weekly options. They expired on a Friday, and I bought some calls, and they gained 445% in one day. I was very confident about Roku going into the earnings report. However, I've done that same thing many times before and lost all the money I've put into it. So a little bit more riskier than normal trading, but obviously a lot more profit potential. So I've got my watch list pulled up here on Webull, guys. I'm going to show you too. They are already showing options pricing, and they're already giving you an options catalog in Webull already. Let's go down here and grab Alibaba. So if you look at the bottom here of your price quote, guys, whichever stock you're looking at, you can see there is an options menu, and you can just click on it and start browsing through options. So now keep in mind, you can't buy or sell any of these options yet, but you can choose between calls and puts, and then you can start shopping your dates and your break even and strike prices for pretty much any stock that you're looking at. So again, not available yet, but it will be coming very soon. So if you're not signed up for Webull, guys, I will have a link for it down in my comment section. Feel free to use my link. You sign up for an account, of course, you will get one free stock valued at least $8. And if you fund your account up to $100, you will then get a second free stock. Once you get signed up, take your link, get your friends, your family, your girlfriend, whoever you got, get them to sign up, and you can start collecting free stocks yourself. So let's talk about what an option is. An option is a contract between a buyer and a seller. It gives the buyers or the owner or holder of the option the opportunity to buy or sell the underlying asset at a specific strike price to or on a specified date. Now that sounds like a mouthful. Just keep in mind, you're basically doing stock price prediction. You're choosing a stock, then you're choosing a date, and you're aiming for a strike price. And the closer you get to getting in the money, whether you're buying a call and the stock is going up, or you're buying a put option and the stock is going down, the closer they get to that strike price, the more money you can make on those options. Now, options can provide investors with more opportunities than traditional equity buy and sell strategies. Now, like I said, guys, that is totally true. Just play very carefully. And if you're new to investing, stay away from weekly options. Try to play at least 3 months out, because we never quite know what the market is going to do. Some of the advantages of playing options, guys, obviously they're very cost efficient, and I can definitely vouch for that. Like I mentioned in my video the other night, I've been collecting put options on General Electric, and I'm only paying between around $15 and $21 per contract, and I'm already seeing some level of return on those, okay? What I'm really aiming is to get a 100% return on the options I have. sell half, and then ride them out to the 1st of January, and hopefully anticipating maybe a 500 to 1000% return. So pretty excited about those. Options are very cost efficient. You do not need to spend a lot of money to make a very good return. Probably not going to be an expert the first time you try trading options, but give yourself some practice and give yourself some time, and you will see it is a very, very valuable skill to know. Options are a very popular way to hedge your positions, but when not properly understood by investors, they pose a risk of loss. Now, this is true too. If you own a stock and you're worried it's going to go down, you can hedge your position by buying some cheap put options. Then if the stock does go down more, you're actually making money. Sell out your put options, and then you could buy more of the stock at a cheaper price. Options have the potential to deliver high percentage returns and losses. Very, very true. Like I said, sometimes you will lose every penny you spend. And of course, some of the advantages you're going to get using Webull, probably the most popular one, is you're going to be paying zero commission. So whether you're buying or you're shorting, and of course, once options come, you're not going to be paying any commission on those trades. And then for those of you who do use the Webull mobile app, I highly suggest to download the desktop, guys. I use it all day long. I find it to be probably the best piece of stock market software that I use in a day's time. So sometimes, like I said, I'm trading on a different platform, but I'm doing most of my analysis and research here on the Webull desktop. So I do want to share this with you guys. Now keep in mind, if you are new to stock options, you're probably not going to have this level of success. Guys, I have roughly 18 years of experience on some level in the stock market, okay? So I have a much higher skill level and I have a lot more experience. Not everybody is going to see these type of results. Some of you might see much, much better results. Just keep in mind, these figures I have here, guys, has 18 years of experience behind them. But in 2019, this is off the Robinhood platform, not Webull. My total gains have been $21,367, and I've took $8,931 of losses. But my total profit has been $12,436 just in 2019 trading options. So, of course, when I go to file taxes next year, I'm going to have to pay a capital gains tax, and we still have 4 more months to go after August. So some of you probably will not be comfortable taking close to $9,000 of losses, but the whole objective is to stay out in front, taking more gains than you do losses. So, a lot of money to be made trading options. Guys, if you do want to sign up for a Webull account, like I said, I'll have a link down in my comment section. Feel free to sign up. Again, like I said, if you fund your account up to $100, you will get 2 free stocks. So, thank you as always for watching the video, and have a great day.